it's sat for so long, it doesn't stick anymore.
Okay.
This is what I'm explaining about when you reactivate it.
Yeah.
So we always want 8 inches up the wall. So in my knot, inside, now, with decking's got a V-coat system, I don't agree with it. They give a 15-year warranty on it,
Yeah.
but I give 10-year warranties on my product, but I don't agree with cutting an inside corner because it's structure.
The dog ears, then?
Yeah.
Pardon me?
Dog ear the corner?
Yeah. So what I do is I just heat it up.
This is what we're using, okay? Marty?
Just heat it up just so it can bend easier.
No. I have enough.
It's just heating it until it becomes more flexible.
Yeah, this is when it gets really smoky, so I apologize.
Sorry, so this is decking that you're doing right now?
That's it. Pardon me?
Their product.
So that's,
So they do have fabric space as well?
no,
They don't?
no fabric.
So this is decking that you did the sample of?
That shows you your tear right there. That's the thing.
That's how you would finish that corner.
So what is it?
So 79
Guys,
pounds.
this is what I was talking about. This is your tear. That's what I was talking about, your weld.
So you can see that your tear